Hello guys, I am back with your favorite question series, DBMS question series. So this is the what? What is that explosion? Okay, all right, kick start. Yeah, this time so cold in here. This is winter season. Uh, it is so cold weather out of there. So my voice is some kind of jiggling. You don't care about that. Uh, we are coming to question set 30. So if I maximize that. My keyboard, mouse, mobile phone, all are freezing. Like they are like ice cubes. Oh my god. Okay, question set 30. And also, especially, I want to say it is so rainy and windy, so you can hear some su noise out of my environment. I don't care about it. I don't think I'm recording using Zoom app, so I don't think it is really big mess for you. No, I don't think like that. Okay. Find the number of letter in the full name of all the student in the grade level. So now in this part, we have to talk about character length keyword. So we are using char length, char underscore length. So this is the keyword we can use for it. So this is the last question set of question set 16 question. So we have to use character length. That is the new keyword here. So now let's find out what is the new keyword. So I need to uh, talk about what is the question first. So find the numbers of letters. Now you can see we have to find the numbers of letter. So that means we have to find what? We have to find character length. So and we need to find all the student full name character length. So we need to find full name character length. And let's find that. It is so easy, I think. So today we don't have to write big queries. So we need to concat student first name and last name because we want to get character length from student full name. So we want to concat first name and last name. So we have keyword like concat to abstract abstract first name and last name. So using this concat we can get first name and last name like that. So I will show you that. Showing you that is more than effective when I going to explain because I don't have any I mean, I don't have any explainable word for that. So if you watch that thing, you can understand it well. So first name, concat. Yeah, we need to use abbreviation. First name and last name. Last name. So we can concat them like that. And I want to get that column name as full name. Okay. And from a student. From student. Let's see it is working. From student. Yeah, you can see we get first name and last name. We add all first name and last name together. Now you can see no space on here. Sandu Nijay Ratna Madara Vanase like that. So we do that, and now we want to find character length. So okay, now we can find it. So coming to next line, uh, below the below this line, so you can see second line as full name. So I want to use character length keyword. You can see char length. Now we have we have brackets and we want to input a string inside the bracket. So this SQL query, this SQL keyword mentioned that you can see it. So now we need to concat our first name and last name inside the character length uh, bracket. Okay. Now I did that. So oh, okay. Now I did that. Now I want to get this column as full name letter count like that. Full name letter count like that. So now you know what I do. I get first name and last name, I concat them, and now we can have like this kind of answer. And I name my table name like full name. Now I need to find the character length, so I get the character length, and I need to calculate. I need these all characters. These all character length. So that means first name and last name character length. So again, I concat first name and last name to get character length inside this character length brackets. So we need to input the string. We want to find the character, find the length of characters. And I also name that column like full name letter count from student table. I need to get that from student table. Now let's run the query and see what's happened. Okay. This means we can't get it like this. So we need to mention the table name and first name. And now I can get the student. Okay. I need to mention the table. Right. Concat. We have problem in line 3. What is the problem in line? Oh, right. We have forgotten to put the comma. Okay. We forgot to put the comma. So we need to put the comma because we need this is another column and this is another column. So we need to put the comma on there. It's really important. So when we execute that, we can have this kind of answer. So Sandun Vijay Ratna, 15 letter count. Let's count them. One of them. 3, 6, and 9, 12, 15. Yeah, it's okay. It's good. It's right. So you can see that. And we can also rename our column names using as keyword. All right, this is the answer for first question in 30th question set. And this is the query, and this is the answer we can get from above query. All right, this is the new keyword. You can see character length, and this is another new keyword concat. But I think you get that. You get that clearly. Think you can understand it. I'm going to second question. Single language and literature. Find the number of letter in the word. Okay, nice. A little query. A little query. So we need to get the single language and literature. So find the character length. So we don't need to concat them. Select. Use suggestion to get this function because you will get some mistake with typing this. Okay, single language and literature. Okay, easy. Language as letter count like that. Letter count in similar like that kind of thing. Yeah. Okay. So hold it here. Okay. And in the query, we put semicolon here and 28. Is it okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and space, 2 spaces here, 27, 28. Yeah, good. 28. That is reasonable answer. Yeah. Okay. This is the query and this is the answer. So if you can't, I will maximize this a little bit. I don't know what quality you are watching videos. This is the answer. You can see it now. Yeah, now I'm going to third question. Find the numbers of letters in the full name of all the students in grade 11 A class. Find the number of letters. Now we have to get character length. All right, we know it. So full name, we need to concat the name like we did previously. All student grade 11 A. So we have exact class to find. All right, now I think you can understand about this. Okay. Now I want to get previous query again. So I'm getting my previous query again. I save it on this query tab. Okay, now you know how to get that. So now this is the all the student. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 students on this database. So this is the all grade all class student. So we need to get 11 A class student only. So now we want to get class name, and we need to join class table on here and get that. Okay, now let's do that. So we are getting class name, class name, and get comma on here. We need to separate those things because those are different columns. So I need to now concat first name and last name. Yeah, full name, letter count. Yeah, I don't need to change it. Now I need to inner join this class table. Inner join class on student dot class ID class 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 ID and where class dot class name is equal to 11a. End the query. Hit that. Now we find this 11a class student name, students full name, letter count. All right. Now let's do that. Okay. Now we have a class name here. We just wait. Yeah, we don't need to mention class name on here. We can also get rid of that also, and we can get the 11a class students full name, letter count. So you can get it. So it is kind of important to mention the class name here because we don't know what class these all student in. So need to mention class name here. So this is the query, and this is the answer. All right, this is the answer. This is the query. I give you some second to get a screenshot of get some understand about this. All right, I think this time is enough. So now let's go to fourth question. Prepare the first name of all grade 11B student in capital letters. All right, now we have to use capital letters. So that means we have to use another new keyword. So that means, all right, first names. So we need to get first names now. So can we customize this? Let's see. We need, yep, we can customize this. Okay, customizing this will, yeah, not really play on here. Okay, now I'm getting student first name. Select student first name. I want to turn first name into capital letters. So I am using this upper keyword. Upper. You can see this upper keyword that is so new. This is a new keyword, so you can note down it to get it in your mind. That's what I am saying. So student, we need to turn into capital letters to student first name. Bracket and as keyword brave essence capital letters first name capital letters first name. All right, first name, and from student table now I need to join class table. Easy. Now we have to use class 11b. Now we can get it. Now you can see, yeah, this is 11b students returning their name to capital letters. That means uppercase letters. So we are using upper keyword to do that. All right. This is the query, and this is the answer. We get above query. Right. I think you can pretty much understand about this. And okay. And moving on to next question. Prepare the name of all the subject in simple letters. Yeah, we have three more subjects here: mathematics and science and single language and literature. So we need to turn into simple letters of all subjects. So we can customize this also. We need to get subject name. So select subject dot subject name, and also lower keyword. This is a new keyword. So when we want to turn into some words to simple letters, we are using lower keyword. Lower subject name, as simple letters, right? Simple letters subject name from subject table. I want to get from subject table. Now I don't need to use this thing, and I end the query. Now you can see the with larger letters. Okay. Now I execute the query. Line 3. What is wrong with line 3? Yeah, we don't put the comma on here. Now you can see all line capital letters. Where you can see this thing. This thing is the yeah. This is the subject. So we have M in capital letters, and in there is a M in simple letters. So you can see the different. So this is the query. So you can see it. Now I am kind of minimize it, and I will show you that. See, this is lowercase, uppercase letter. These are all uppercase letter. Now these are lowercase letters. Right. I think you can understand it. It is simple. So this kind of simple query. We have lowercase. We have this lower keyword. That is the new thing on there. So we get some new knowledge here using this question set 30, but queries are so simple. So you have to get that from your mind really clear, because there are no complicated queries on there. So we have to now find the average mark of the Amanda Moses, student in class 11A, in all terms examination in the subject of science. So now we have to get some conditions here. This is so familiar because we already know how to find average marks. We don't have mentioned examination term. We have these things only, these conditions only. So we are going to it. Now you know how to do that. Select average from student exam mark report, mark AVG science mark. From student table. Wait a second, I need to check the recorder. It's suddenly stopping. I don't know about it. Inner join class on student dot class ID equals to class dot class ID, and need to join student table student inner join student table on student exam mark report dot index number student dot index number inner join subject table on student exam mark report dot subject okay EC subject ID subject plus concat subject ID. All right. Now we have to find class name. Where class name equals to 11 A. Yeah, let's find out. Yeah, 11A Amanda Moses science. Okay. These are the conditions. 11A and the student first name Amanda and student last name Moses and subject name equals to science. Okay. Now we get the conditions. Now let's find out what is the average mark. What? Outline you not unique table arrays. Okay. I think there is a problem here. Okay. Let's do this too. Now let's see. Yeah, we need to. Yeah, we are getting all details from the student table. Now we need to join student exam mark record table to student table. That is right. I think. Yeah, that is all good. Now we have science mark like 80. So this is the query. We find all details from the student table. Now we have to join student exam mark record table to student table. That's all. So that is the wrong with our query. Now I fix it. So now you can see average science mark is 80 for Amanda Moses. We don't mention any term. We don't need it because question doesn't mention it. So this is the query for last question. And this is the answer for that. All right, guys, we successfully did that. We successfully come into the 30 question sets. Now we have 20 only. So my question series is all about 50 questions. So we already did 30 questions in this series. So now we have to do another 20 only. So I will do that in my next 20 videos. If you get some knowledge, leave a like for this video and comment me below what you didn't understand or what you didn't get. Or if you get everything in this explanation, comment me below what kind of explanation I have. Is it good or bad? What are the mistakes I made? And yeah, these are so helpful for me, guys. Helpful for me for my future journey. All right. I will catch you guys in my next video. So take it easy.